Hello everyone. It is the dream of everyone to ace the competitive exam, and Federal Public Service Commission is offering us CSS. Through CSS, you can enroll yourself in bureaucracy and achieve good position as an assistant commissioner, as PSP officers, assistant superintendent of police. You can also go in the foreign affairs. You can also join customs and many more. There are actually 12 cadres. Today we will be discussing about the first of all subject selection. Subjects are very important for this examination. There are total 53 subjects that are given, and you can download the CSS syllabus or course outline very easily from the FPSC website. These are the compulsory subjects, and you are given no option, so you have to memorize and put your critical skills in these subjects. But here comes the optional subjects. You can select one subject from each group, and first group includes 200 marking. If you are specialized in accounting, economics, computer science, then it's well and good. You can go for your major subject. But if you are from any other background, you can select political science or international relations, and you can also select other subjects in relation to political science or international relations. We will study all these one by one, and in the next group, these are not scoring subjects. If your major is physics or chemistry or mathematics, then you can go for it. Otherwise, no one will suggest you this group. Till now we have selected 200 marks, and now we will go on into the group 3. In this group, usually we select public administration, business administration, or governance and public policies. Both these groups are very efficient for scoring, and if you go for public administration, you can also appear in PMS. If you are interested in history, you can select either history. Among these, history of US is very short. From group 5, one can select gender studies or environmental sciences. Both these subjects are scoring, and gender studies is very critical evaluating paper. You can know about the feminist, you can know about the women empowerment. It is also very interesting subject, and I will recommend that you should go for the gender study. If you have opted the political science, then you should go for constitutional law, and if you have opted the international relations, then you should go for the international law. This is the combination that you should keep in mind. You should keep in mind. And next, you can also select criminology or philosophy. Philosophy is also somewhat related with the political science. From this group, you can select either language. If you are Balochi, you can select Balochi. If you are Pakhtun, you can select Pashto. If you are Punjabi, you can select Punjabi. Languages are very, very, very scoring, and you can also go for psychology and geography, sociology, if you are not interested in any languages. This group is usually thought very scoring in CSS examination. You can also download this CSS syllabus from the link given below, and there are also many more videos in which we will study each subject one by one, and we will give the books and outlines for the preparation of exam. So keep tuned. Thank you so much.